The next generation values process over production. When my middle child was, say, 8 years old, I would come into the kitchen to see her standing at the counter creating something. Now, something usually involved, I don't know, flour, sugar, tea bags, soy sauce. I didn't want to know. All I knew was at the end, there would not be an edible product out of whatever was in that bowl. To me, as a baby boomer, this was a waste of food, and there needed to be a product at the end that we could use. To her, it was an experience. She would say, "I'm experimenting, Mommy," when I asked her what she was doing. And that's the way that generation thinks. It is process over production. And what are some of the buzzwords that tell us that, of that generation? Journey, narrative, story, experience. They're all about it. We were raised on solve the problem in a 30-minute sitcom. They were raised on choose your own adventure at the end of the story. It's a totally different world.